Hi there, I'm Tracy Drake. This is a short instructional video for seated Qigong. Today we're actually looking at two of the 8 brocades, so number 6 and number 8, and we'll begin with the last brocade first, which is jolting the spine 7 times to prevent 100 illnesses. So let's see if that is true. It's a simple movement. I'll maybe just turn the chair on the side here. So find your way into your nice sturdy chair, sitting up tall, nice long spine, feet flat on the floor, about hips width distance. And letting the shoulders relax, letting the belly relax, jaw is relaxed. Connecting with the breath, and then all we simply do is lift the heels, the toes stay on the floor, and then we drop them down onto the floor, and you'll feel this kind of jolting sensation through the legs and maybe all the way through the thighs into the hips. So whilst we don't quite have the same physical and energetic benefits of Qigong seated, we can still feel some interesting sensations, some interesting benefits of doing the practice seated, which I think is pretty wonderful. So simply lifting up the heels, you can decide how heavily you want to drop the heels onto the floor. Maybe you want to drop them a little softer. It's a little bit of a workout for the toes and the ankles. And we're stimulating the energy channels. Many of them begin in the feet. So stimulating those channels all the way through the legs. Good. Our next shape is pretty simple. We just lean forward and place the hands under the feet. So you might need to sit back a bit on your chair and just stretching the whole back body. Now I like to push down my feet down into the hands and pull back with the hands a little bit, making the shape quite dynamic, but maybe that doesn't work for you today. Maybe something to work towards. But looking to stretch the whole back body. Taking a nice long breath here, a couple of nice long breaths. Noticing how this feels. And then when you've had enough, releasing the feet, releasing the hands from under the feet, coming back upright, finding your basic sitting posture, and notice how you feel. Beautiful. Okay, so there you have it. 2 of the brocades, number 6, number 8, and then number 6. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.